Okay, solving slightly less simple inequalities, and it's really just that instead of a one-step inequality, we're going to end up with a two-step inequality, but twice. So here's the steps we do. We look at it and we say, the absolute value is by itself. That's step one. Step two, we're going to write it the way it is without the absolute value sign. Then we're going to write it again, but we're going to change the inequality so that it faces the other way, and we're going to make it a negative 23 instead of a positive 23. So the steps I need to do here to get a by itself is, well, subtract 1, and then divide by negative 6. Now, that's a fraction if I've ever seen one. We need to flip it around so it's greater than, because we divided by negative 6. That simplifies to 11 over 3. And because we're graphing, I'm going to change it to a mixed number because that's the easiest way to tell what numbers I should put this dot between. I should put it between 3 and 4 because it's 3 2/3. So then on this one, we'll get negative 24 and then divide by negative 6 and get that a is less than positive 4. And it's greater than 3 2/3, but it's less than 4. That's a really small amount. Like, that's just this little bitty spot. Is that how this was supposed to happen? I don't even know. I think so. Okay, so it's an and we're saying a has to be between 3 2/3 and 4. How about on B? 2x plus 3 is greater than 9, so I'm going to write it down one time, exactly the same, but without absolute value bars, and then another time, like so. Minus 3, minus 3. Divide by 2. So x is greater than 3. Then on this one, minus 3. Definitely be careful with your negatives because, they're almost always tricky, or can be tricky. Negative 9 plus negative 3 is negative 12. Divide by 2. And x is less than negative 6. Now remember, it's when we divide by a negative number, this doesn't make us flip because the top number is negative and not the bottom number. So let's see, x is greater than 3. So that's going to go that way. And x is less than negative 6. So that's going to go that way. So this is an or, if we didn't already realize that. And that's how we do this. Thanks for watching.